Hello YouTube! I started to build my CNC router 2 years ago, not because I like woodworking, but because of mechanical side and I want to learn some CNC basics. You can easily find instructions how to build your own CNC, and prices for basic components are cheap, especially if you buy electronics from China. For CNC frame I used plywood, because at that moment I didn't have workshop to work with metal, and nearby was a good place to buy plywood scraps. First mistake was the size. I didn't want it to be too small, but big enough so I can move it. I recommend starting with a smaller size. I used precision shafts and linear ball bearings. For one of the axes I used supported shaft rails. Back then I couldn't find cheap supported rails, so I made one by welding some treats on. To convert rotary motion to linear motion I used lead screws. Of course, the first problems I faced was parallelism. All three bars need to be parallel, and that's easier to say than done. One room apartment definitely was not suitable for this. Connect and configure Arduino Uno was not hard. I put all links in the description. I didn't have to wait long for girlfriend to complain how my machine is taking half of the room and there is no free space at all. So, we got a bigger apartment, and before huge reconstruction I had some time to play with my CNC there. I will upload video how I renovate our new apartment later. I did some modifications, changed jaw couplings for screws to belt drive system. And for that axis I changed 3D throttle belt. It wasn't a smart idea. Now I got a new lead screw for that axis, so that's probably the first thing what I change next. I can get normal Y-axis stiffness because two unsupported rods was bending like hell, so I made simple supports with ball bearings. And for that axis I used CNC to cut first part for CNC, and it was new carriage base, so I can put extra 2 linear bearings for stiffness. Second part what I made for CNC was simple box from plywood with plexiglass to protect stepper motor drivers from chips and dust. I got a new room for workshop, so I will be able to continue work with my CNC router. So it's all for part 1, wait for the next video soon, see ya.